Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I would like to show you how to get SEO backlinks for 2020. Now, this video is not going to discuss just any SEO backlinks. I want to show you a step-by-step tutorial, a walkthrough on how you can create hosting your own little mini event, aka your own little site, a little blog post on a .gov website. Let's go ahead and get into that now. So what we're going to do is with any of our link building or SEO backlink building campaigns, we want to go ahead and open up a temporary or a free throwaway temp mail. Reason being is when you're creating a ton of links, obviously, you do not want to be receiving a bunch of notifications or anything else. So I always like to find a temporary mail, and they change all the time. So for this particular example, we're going to use S-Mail Pro. Looks like a pretty good option. And then our very first link we're going to create is going to be here. And at the very end, after we are done creating these, I will give you destinations. All right, so this is the first link. All right, so we are on the FEMA site. Let's get our mail. This looks pretty good. DonnieMails.com for this example. Very interesting. So this is a FEMA, obviously, website. So we'll go to create an account once we're on the FEMA website. Obviously, you may want to go ahead and read over these privacy acts and paperwork, but we are here to provide value to the rest of the world and, of course, get a SEO backlink for 2020. How about SEO Pro? SEO_Pro. Obviously, you will want to go ahead and pick maybe a password that you like to use on all of your non-personal or relevant or secure accounts. I have one for online stuff and one for super secure stuff. I would like my name organization to appear on the FEMA whatever portal website as a supporter. Sure. Walk through these, whatever these terms and conditions. That's going to be completely up to you. I affirm that I meet the requirements for joining. Surely. I'm 18 and whatnot. That sounds about right. It may give me a search because I am on incognito. Okay. Looking for bicycles, and another bicycle. Hopefully it's not an infinite loop. All right, looks good. Let's verify. Now, again, I will share with you two .gov websites. We'll cover power and strength at the very end. I believe these are both do follow, so these would be great as buffer links. Also, a contextual .gov link. Hey, can we really beat that? So let's keep going here. So as you can see here, we are on a FEMA.gov website. I'll give you the link URLs so you can create these at the very end. All right. So I just wanted to walk you through the process first and foremost, and then I'll go ahead and give you the links, or you may be seeing them up in the URL bar. All right. So let's get this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my title something believable. I do not want this to be taken down basically immediately. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, how about a charity? How about this? SEO, we'll go SEO expert, right? And then we'll do charity. SEO expert, Pennsylvania. Most people don't even know what SEO is. PENNSYLVANIA. I believe that's correct. All right, SEO expert, Pennsylvania. We'll get our main keywords up there. And then we're going to do charity to make it look, good. So what we'll do here is a fundraiser. Sure, right? Dash charity. I'm sure this type of platform will eat this type of activity up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and highlight this up at the top. I just want to show you how to do this. I would really take my time with these links. I would just take my time with these. Don't be too deliberate. Add some images. Really take your time with these particular types of links. I already know that they're relatively powerful. Maybe not this one, but the second one is. They're going to be contextual. Take your time, make them look good. These are .govs. So this right here, we're just going to make that bold and italic Y for a little bit of emphasis. All right, now, this is a 2018 level exercise, NLE activity, actions, access alerts, assemble or update supplies, conduct. I'm just reading down the list here, make property safer. All right, audiences. So we're going to nonprofit, volunteer, sounds fair, and other. No, no other. All right, activity, win, and show end date. So this is going to be show end date. No. All right. So date, let's go ahead and book it out for 2021. That way we could keep this. How far will it let me go? Now, I really like the address feature. So we're going to go with 30 West Broad Street, FL2. Video. So participants. Enter the estimated number of participants. I don't know. How about 50? So the link title is limited to 120 characters. So again, here it's giving you, it's almost like a page. I remember seeing the last one, how I found this. It's like its own little page. Think of this as you're hosting your own little mini event, aka your own little site, a little blog post on a .gov website. Will you be the point of contact for this activity? Sure. Are you doing this activity in affiliation with another organization or campaign? No. So we're going to go ahead and save this. Let me just take a quick look at this. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and save this. Now, again, I'd be very cautious with, you know, oh boy. Oh, at least one hazard has to be picked. All right. Gee, why does there have to be hazard? All right. Well, if I had to have a hazard happen, what do I want? What a list here. Okay, winter storm, I could bear with that. I actually like the snow, even though I'm originally from Florida. So, oh man, what a list. Have to choose a hazard. So I want to go ahead and show you this. This is going to be a very fun piece. Now, there are some hazards here, our audiences here, but now let's go up here. Look at this. So we have our main headline. You could get your keyword in here. So look at the page that we're on right now, even though it's a new, fresh page. PA39, DA84, spam score 1. Let's pop up here. Let's go to no follow. And we're going to go to follow. So as you can see, .gov contextual, green is follow, purple is no follow. So this was, I would assume that this is pretty good. I love it. I got the address in here. I would really fill this out. So hopefully you have enjoyed this SEO backlinks video for 2020. If you have any questions about SEO backlink, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get SEO Backlinks in 2020 video. Have a wonderful day.